Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get to the second part of the campaign in Bone Lab. No mods, no nothing. I am using the V1 avatar to get there fast. But here's all you need to do is first you need to complete the first campaign. And you see the store here? You don't want to open it. And to go up here. Keep in mind, I will sometimes switch avatars for certain things. And right here, that door's gonna close, and it might open that. So that door's gonna close, and it's gonna open that door, right? So the reason why it's closing is to also to hold the map to stop lag.
It was something else. Next
Get
day,
the shit over
they're
here.
gone. Vanished.
Nobody wants to hear me yap. If you go down there, right here is the elevator. You're gonna want to go up the elevator. So with the sledgehammer, you can stop the fan so you can get in there. You don't want to do that. And what you're gonna want to use is a strong avatar to move that. But if you do not have a strong avatar, that is okay. You just go ahead and drop one down there. And you will be warned, there is a hidden crab in this box. Bring it! Smoke around here, it will bring you up here. Bring you to this door that will open. Just gonna want to go ahead and go through here. Kick open this door and there is more head crabs in here. So be careful. And then, you're just going to want to move this table out of the way, since we do not need it, and grab this. You're just going to want to lower that down, I almost said move. And then, move that out of the way. I would recommend to jump down with it. Get decimated low amount. And then I'm gonna stand at safe distance since I don't want to go through the campaign again. I already went through there. It's until with the after wheel. Around the hook with here, let me here we go. Keep in mind this thing is the heaviest thing in the game. Nothing is lifted. Grab this. I need this. Lift it upwards. Down. What's right there? Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to get that in there, and then pull it up. And then you're just gonna want to jump down there, but I'm not gonna do it since I've already beat the campaign. all you need to know here for this video. And how to get to the campaign. And this is also part 1 to how to unlock the spawner gun in Bone Lab, which I'm sure you guys probably want this cool utensil. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. Go check out my super tag video since I'm trying to get the creator thing. If they do accept it. Anyways, see you in the next one.